At liquidspill.com, we understand the frustration and pain that you'll face when your MacBook is damaged by liquid. We recognize that there are many choices facing someone in this predicament, but the correct decision is usually unclear. We are here to help in a reasonable and simple way. Let's bunch your options into two groups. 1. A local repair shop will typically charge you for every component that needs to be replaced. They generally do not repair the damaged logic board like we do, adding on more and more parts as they go until the cost is just too high. Liquid spills can be unpredictable. By the time you get a total cost from them, you've already invested in their diagnosis and labor trying to figure out a total cost. You likely won't end up getting the repair done due to a high cost, and you'll end up getting nowhere but spending a lot of time and money in doing so. 2. The manufacturer's bar help desk. If you have one available in your area, we'll evaluate your product and give you a high, usually unreasonable, flat rate price depending on your model. This may solve your problem, but you are approaching the cost of a new device. Is this the best option? Let's present a third option, liquidspill.com. We offer flat rate pricing like the manufacturer, but at a better price and with the same 90-day warranty. Our flat rate pricing includes next day shipping to our facility in Kansas City and back to you for minimal downtime. We're the leader in liquid spill repairs for Macs. The price we advertise is the price you pay. At our state-of-the-art repair center, we thoroughly test all components of your laptop and identify all components that may have been affected by the spill. We repair the main logic board, replace all the components necessary, and then thoroughly test your Mac to make sure it's performing up to expectations. While your computer is in for repair, our top-notch full-time customer service staff is there to answer any questions you may have. You can be assured that your device is in good hands. Our parent company, iRescue, has been around since 1994, and our expert team repairs hundreds of devices every day. You can see our performance for yourself in our reviews. iRescue has an A+ rating at the Better Business Bureau, a 9.5 out of 10 rating on BizRate, and over 550 reviewers on Google Plus give us a 4.8 out of 5. Just visit liquidspill.com to get started. We'll take great care of you and your Mac.